What's even the point of this game? All you have to do is just collect stars. What's the point of this game? Too bad it doesn't have me in it. Well, it has me and Yoshi in it. Oh yeah, lucky you. I can't wait to show him a new pet. Oh. Come on in. Guys! I just found a pet. I just bought a new pet. Oh, what is it? Wait, I gotta pause it. I love pets. What's the pet? Just show us. Yeah, show us the new pet. Here it is. It just looks like a normal cat. Well, it's not only a cat. It's Cat Mario. Wait, what? Hello, meow. I'm a new plushie. Oh my God! Get that ferocious thing away from me! It's gonna kill us all. Everybody, step back. It's not It's harmless. Look at it. So cute, little Cat Mario. Look at the difference. I'm not in the cat suit, and he's extremely smaller than me. He's harmless. See, look. Do you have some milk? Meow. Does he have to say meow after every sentence? Yes, because he's a cat. And you know, he's part cat, part human, so he's a cumin. No, it's a humat. It's a cat human. Meow. And look what it can do. Go show us your thing, Mario. Cat Mario. Meow. Meow, 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 meow. 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 That was awesome. Meow. But still, do you have any milk? Meow. Yes, it's downstairs. Go get it. Milk! Meow. Well, that was unnecessary, considering it just flew out of the door thing. But he's a good cat. Yeah, if you excuse me, I'm good. I'm just gonna go keep playing Mario 64 now. To find out the point of this game. Jeez, it's like there's no point but just collect stars. Oh, I'll show you the game. I'll be the guy too. Oh, humans these days, they're just so addicted to video games, which is great. I'll help you play the game, Koopa. Meow. Hey everyone, it's me, Super Smash Bros. Here, aka Thump1965, whatever you want to call me. And I just got this new, amazingly designed Cat Mario. It's from like a Walgreens. And yeah, it's really cool. And, you know, has a lot of cool things about it. You know, the really nice cat suit, I really like it. Plus, it's made from Jazz Pacific, and they make really good toys. See, Jazz Pacific. I'm not sure if you can read that. Hey, this is the tag, by the way. I usually keep tags, especially in video game stuff. See, this is a comparison. Yeah. Is it kind of weird that most Mario plushes don't have mouths? Considering that the tag literally has a mouth right there. I don't know, really. But, yeah, that's my new Cat Mario plush. Let me tell you, tell me what you like about it and what you don't like about it, whatever, etc., etc. This plush is really cool. It's so soft, too. And, yeah, that's basically it. And, now that I'm talking about this, I'm going to say, Mega Boo Mario and Super Mario Odyssey is doing a live stream. I'm going to be attending that. And, yeah. So, probably I'll make a video about it at the end of the live stream at least. But, you know, yeah, that's basically it. So, see you guys in the next video. Bye.